Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I just want to show you this super nice and cute mini Christmas tree that you can see over here that comes in a set of four, and they have lights. I'm going to turn off the lights in a few seconds so you can see it better, but take a look at how cozy these ones are, how cute these are. These are kind of like the perfect, like a dinner table for Christmas or something like that decoration. You can put many of these, since they come in a pack of four. You can actually get a few of these packs and put them like in each one of the plates for the family when they're gathering or something like that. They have some kind of a little bit of a snow feel over there, but this is not gonna fall too much. So that's a nice thing that you can put it in the plate or just where the napkins are or something like that, or just decorate your studio, your office, your home office, or your living room. Let's actually turn off the light so you can see how cozy these ones are. So I want to turn on each one of this one by one. It comes with the batteries already, so you're not gonna have to put any batteries whatsoever. And I have to say, just take a look at this. How nice these ones are, how cozy. The stars, the LED lights, the RGB colors, the gifts on kind of like on the bottom of it. These are just fantastic. These are super cute, really nice decoration. And of course, it's gonna make also a really nice present for this Christmas season. I think that these four are super, super cute.